Good morning, guys! Naayos na natin yung bed. Sila nagluto ng breakfast niya. Sa kanya lang yun kasi hindi naman ako nag-breakfast. Nangyari sa buhok ko. Yum! Looks good! Kasi diba nag-midnight shopping kami kagabi? Yan yun. Kaya siya nag-shopping. Kaya niya gusto mag-shopping kasi gusto niya bilhin yan. Now today, I need to buy wrapper ng gift namin para kay Jess kasi bukas na yung binyag. Long weekend, guys, and usually kapag long weekend, gusto namin na umaalis. Kaya lang, hindi pwede kasi meron kaming binyag bukas. Ito yung invitation namin niya, 10th of June. Binyag, tapos yung reception dun sa Dolphins Cruise. Yung napuntahan ko na-vlog ko ngayon, kasama yung mga kasama ko sa work noon. I will have coffee! Ito yung breakfast natin, guys. Yummers! Ito yung, obviously, corn. Meron akong brown and creamy na coffee. Yung corn, lalagyan natin ng butter, olive grove, and then, lalagyan din natin siya ng asin after ng butter. Yum! Kain! Nakabihis na tayo, guys. Yung suot ko lang is itong UBU na jumper. Medyo may pagka-turtleneck yung ganap niya. And then, I'm just wearing jeggings na I got from Rose Gal. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi tamang-tama lang yung length niya. O hindi ko na siya kailangan i-tupi. So, yan. Pupunta lang naman kami sa shops today. Punta kami Kmart, tapos punta kami Asian shop kasi naubusan ako ng mga Pilipinong pagkain. Pinoy na Pinoy. Gusto ko itry yung ginawa namin kina Lyra, yung ano guys, yung corned beef. Gusto ko itry yun one time. So, bili ako corned beef at saka hotdog. Kumustahin natin? Hello? Kumustahin natin yung mga brushes natin. Ano nang ganap nyo dyan? Hindi siya madali mag-dry guys kasi ano malamig eh. Tingnan mo to. Pero kapag inano mo yan, spurned mo yan, hindi, basa pa rin talaga siya. Okay lang yan, may extra brushes naman tayo eh. Nag-laundry ako kasi yung coat namin na Dan, nilaundry namin. Guys, hindi ako mag-face makeup. Finil ko lang yung brows ko. And yung gamit ko, guys, is itong Sephora Brow Thickener. Ano siya? Parang loose powder, ganun. Parang loose powder siya, guys, na very, very fine. And yung applicator niya, pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Pero ganyan yung ano niya, oh. Yung applicator niya, ganyan. Para lang siyang, parang foam. Ganun. Tapos ilalagay mo siya sa brows mo. So, hindi perfect yung brows. Pero okay lang kasi gusto ko lang naman siyang i-fill. Kapag nag-a-apply ka, parang may bola sa ilalim na. See? Pag nag-apply ka. Pero okay lang siya. Yan yung itsura niya. Okay lang. Kung ayaw mo mag-makeup, gusto mo lang i-fill yung eyebrows mo ng slight, tapos ayaw mo naman ng perfect na shape. Ang bilis na malobat ng camera ko. I think kahapon, 3 beses ko siya pinalitan. 3 daw. Pero okay lang kasi 2 naman yung battery ko. Kaya lang, bilis niya malobat ha. Ayan guys, nag-lipstick ako. Hindi ako nag-lip tint. Yung gamit ko is yung Colourpop Lippy Stick na grunge. So, medyo brownish yung shade niya. And nothing on my face. Nag-skincare lang ako, guys. Guys, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung hygiene na ginagamit ko. Yung serum at saka yung spray. As in, yun lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. Aside from cleanser kapag naliligo ako, ha. Pero, yeah, I actually have a skincare video coming up soon. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung skincare routine ko ngayon. See? As in, wala akong face makeup. Anyway, I'm ready. Ito na yung mukha ko. You ready?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Okay.
Football.
Okay. Very political. Yep, okay, done.
Why do you pose when you have the camera on?
I'm dying.
Oh, you're right. Ay, nako, babe.
You can drive, babe. I'm not driving today.
Okay, my love. I'm driving. Punta kami Asian shop, guys. Medyo sunny sa labas. Sana hindi naman ganun ka. Init para sa akin kasi yung mga jumper na nakuha ko from So Aesthetic, makakapal talaga sila, guys. As in, it really does keep you warm. Ito yung sa ilalim maganda yung tela. Yan. Ready?
Yep.
The alarm was on?
Yep.
Let's go! Dito kami sa guys, Asian Spices, Filipino grocery. Dito si ate, Cheryl. Hotdog.
lang.
Hi! Kita-kita sa ano.
How are you?
Hi!
Kotse.
Si Ate Cheryl, guys. Merong
Okay,
hotdog,
we'll see.
guys. Yan. Gusto ko yan.
Do you have the whole
Bilhin natin yan,
Do you
babe.
have the whole flavor?
Dalawahin ko na. Yan.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Oh, kagabi.
Hi ka, oh.
Ay, I think this
Hi.
morning. Hi. I was
Bilhin
watching
namin to.
your video.
Yung favorite ko, oh. Dangay. Sap-sap. Ano pang nandito?
That's good.
Nakakamiss tong mga ganito, oh. Cologne.
Tomorrow it's not gonna be crunchy anymore. Today it's still crunchy,
Okay.
but tomorrow it's still good,
Yeah.
Tester.
but within a day.
Okay. When would that
Bango
be?
nito, ah. Summer swing.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, even though.
Tapos na kami, guys, mag-shopping kina ate. Bumili kami nitong banana turon. Ito, oh. Hindi ko alam kung sino gumawa, pero ay, sarap nito. How much was this? Kakamis tong mga ganito. Have you tried it? So good. Sarap. Dito kami sa city, guys. Punta kami sa Harry's Scarf. What are we buying there again? Sorry.
Sheets.
Sheets? Bili daw kami ng sheets, yung pang-winter na
Flannelette.
sheets. What?
Flannelette.
Flannelette.
Yeah.
Flannelette.
Sheets.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero hindi ko pa rin siya maintindihan. Natagal na namin ito pinag-usapan. Dapat bumili tayo ng ganito. Sabi ko, sige, bili tayo ng ganyan. Tapos hindi ko pa rin siya alam kung ano talaga siya. Kmart. Bili kami, ano guys, wrapping paper. Wrapping paper galore. Yung bibilihin namin is yung generic na pwede pang balalaki, pwede pang babae. Meron kaming ganyan. Yung kinuha namin ito. Meron kasi kaming ganito. Para kung magkulang, at least meron kami extra, diba? The same wrapping paper pa din. And then we got this one as well. Yan. Pwede pang lalaki, pwede pang babae. That's it. $2 each.
Barbie.
Barbie. Na, I just said I want the generic one. Or here, the white one is better. I like this. Let's get this, babe. Nakakamiss to dito. Oh, lagi akong pumupunta dito noon. Lagi kami pumupunta dito noon. Daming tao, guys. Dito kami sa Pandora, guys. Gusto ko bumili ng ring na pang travel. Na ano ba, ilagay ko sa ano ko. Ring finger. Hulo, ang cute nun. Yung heart. Nakita ko kasi sa website nila, meron sila nung maliliit na size. So, kasya sa akin. Here, babe. Oh. Oh, that one. I like that one. Yan. Yan. Nagtatry ako ng rings. Nagpunta kami sa Pandora, guys. Yung ring size ko is size 46. Kaya lang walang sila nung gusto ko na ring. Walang size 46. Yung mga meron, yung mga plain lang. And she gave me this kasi nandito yung conversion ng like kung ano yung 46 sa US and stuff like that. And then, ano, sinulat niya din para sa akin yung ring size ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga bumili ng ring para isuot pang travel. Gustong gusto niya yung mga ganitong ano, shop. Tingnan nyo, guys. Parang ako lang yun, no? Maliit na bata. Eh. Ha? Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. Yan, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. Para siyang colorful, pero hindi masyado. Kasi more on, yeah, I like that. Gusto ko yan, babe. Meron pa siyang texture. Oh, that's cool. Ang cool niyan.
Out of curiosity, how much is that worth?
Gustong-gusto siya na ito nilan. Guess.
Let's play that. I'll play this game.
Ang mura na lang, guys. Ano, Price to clear. Mga buns, oh. Ito, ano siya, mga knickers, mga panty. $6.50 na lang. Kaya lang baka malaki lang yan sa akin. Pero ito maganda pang loob ng bahay, oh. Meron siyang grape. $5 na lang siya. Kaya lang gusto ko malaman kung ano yung original price niya. What's the original price? Do you know? Ito guys, flannelette. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Flannelette. Sheet set. It's a set, babe.
Yeah, it's got pillowcases and t-shirts.
Okay. I'll choose.
You choose.
Ako daw pipili, guys. Yung pinili kong mahal eh. 120. Tapos pang winter lang. And pero lang naman to. Yung brand lang naman yung ano. So we'll see. Gusto ko gray. Pero ayoko naman ng plain. Gusto ko yung may ano naman.
Even the white as well.
White? We went for this brand, guys. Tapos itong color na to, parang very light gray siya. Kasi yung original price niya, mas mahal compared sa iba. So, it was originally $150 and ngayon naka $69 na lang siya. So, yan. Meron sana maganda sa likod yung tinignan namin kanina, pero yung original price niya mga $105 lang. Driver! Who's the driver now? You! Okay.
See?
Go ha! Who's the better driver?
Me.
Me! I'm the better one. Punta kami sa Korean Mart kasi mag-ano kami, guys. Yung Korean barbecue. Na-miss ko eh. Why do you turn on the AC? It's so cold.
Is that cold?
It is cold. Turn it off. There you go. You can open it. Padobli-dobli kasi ng ano. Is it cold, babe? Got a shirt underneath.
It's not cold at all.
It is cold.
It's not cold.
Why are you wearing that then if it's not cold?
It's not cold.
It is cold. You're wearing shoes as well.
It's not cold.
Okay.
Don't wear thongs in winter.
I'm not wearing thongs. I'm wearing slides.
Same.
No, it's not the same.
It's the same.
No. Divorce. Someone commented babe about that. What did she say?
I can't remember.
When we went to Kmart, parang sabi ni Dan sa ano, he wrote something on the pillow, guys, yung my sequin, and then you wrote divorce, right? And then someone said, you're hinting divorce or something. What did she say?
If anybody knows a good divorce lawyer, call me.
What did she say, babe? Like you're hinting. You saw it and then you showed me the comment. I don't even remember. Basta ano, sabi niya, parang, hindi ko alam yung exact na ano, comment. You don't remember. It was in English as well, so Dan understood. And then you replied to it. Sabi niya, stupid comment. Hey, he won't leave me. He won't divorce me. Give him a call. We always talk about divorce. Just to be ready. Para ready, guys, sa future. Buang. Tapos yung iba sabihin, mag-iiwan ka din yan. Message mo yung Instagram. I-message talaga ako. Private message ba? Guys, gusto ko lang malaman mo, iiwan ka din yan ni Dan.
What did I message you?
I just want you to know that Dan will leave you eventually. What the heck? Divorce lawyer, please. Bukang. Will you leave me, babe?
I won't leave you. I would never want to see you happy. That's why I can never leave you.
It's a nice weather today, babe.
I told you. It's good weather.
Yeah, but it's not hot. You don't need to turn the AC on. Ang ganda ng city, guys. Ang ganda ng view ng city. Look.
They can't see.
Yes, they can. I'll show them. Against the light kayo, guys. Pero maganda yung city. Ah, dito. The best view of all. Bahay na kami, guys. Ito yung, Harry scarf na bag. Malaki. Ito. Kasi ano to, the light's not there. I can see me. Bumili ako ng ganito. Para sa egg, kapag nag-fry ako ng egg. Kasi, cute niya. It was originally $12. We got it for around $3.50 na lang. Mura. Ang cute. And then, bumili kami ng cabbage sa Coles. Kasi, ginisang cabbage with, pork. Yung madali lang na ulam. Ang laki nitong plastic bag na to. And then ito guys, yung binili namin sa Harry Scarf. Should we use this now? Yeah. Maganda to. Install natin yan. Install talaga. Mamaya. Vinegar at saka asin sa Coles. Kasi naubusan na kami. Or malapit na maubos. Laki nito ha. Ano ko kaya ito gagamitin? Oh, we can put all our the bottles here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then sa Filipino shop, bumili kami ng hotdog at saka mga canned goods, guys, kasi naubusan na. Kung anong nag-breakfast dan kanina, sabi ko, ang sarap sana ng corned beef ngayon. Kaya lang wala ako. So this is Myron Stars Tender Juicy Hotdog. Bumili ako sana, dalawa sana ganito yung kinuha ko, guys. And sabi ni ate, mas gusto niya daw to kaysa sa ito sa Mighty Juicy. So ano ko na lang siya, itry ko na lang silang dalawa kasi same price lang. And then bumili ako ng aking Skyflakes kasi masarap yan with coffee. Then ito guys, itatry ko Delimundo ranch style na corned beef at saka garlic and chili corned beef. So yung garlic at chili maliit, tapos yung ranch style malaki. Sabi niya, ito daw yung corned beef na gamit sa isa sa mga fast food sa Philippines. Siguro Jollibee. Meron bang breakfast yung Jollibee? Hindi ko sure. Hindi din kasi sure ni ate. Sabi niya either Jollibee daw or basta fast food sa Philippines. Itong brand daw to yung gamit sa yun, sa corned beef nila. And then binigyan niya ako guys, free. Mr. Buko at saka Mr. Mais na loli. Thank you, te. Yan. And then bumili ako ng Pure Foods na corned beef dalawa. So, uy, 4 yung corned beef ko. At saka isang luncheon meat. Ito. Yan. Na-miss ko kasi yung mga yan. And resibo. And yung banana turon na malapit na maubos. Nakaubos na sila ng 3. Ako nakaubos ako ng 2. Sarap yun. Meron pang nangka sa loob. Yum. Hala, babe, where's the beef?
In the fridge.
I need it out because I'm marinating it, Malan. Guys, mag-barbecue na tayo, guys. Ito na yung, na-marinate ko kanina. Siguro mga 2 oras na to dito. Ang bango. Yung ginamit ko yung bulgogi sauce na napakita ko na sa, sa vlog ko. Focus ka naman sa bulgogi sauce ko. Camera. Ano na? Ayaw yung mag-focus. Yan. Sarap nito, guys. Grabe. Sarap talaga siya. And then, yung rice ko luto na din. Kanina pa yan luto. Dito ako magba-barbecue, guys. Kasi para malapit sa, sa fan. Kasi nung dito kami nag-barbecue, nung kami mukbang, siguro mga 2 araw na amoy, beef barbecue yung, yung bahay. Tapos para hindi ko na din kailangan ng extension cord. Yan, guys. On mo lang siya. So, ilalagay ko siya sa 3. Ganyan. Tapos yan, nalagyan ng oil. Tapos dyan na ako magwa-barbecue. Yan guys, barbecue. And then yan, ubusin namin yan. Kung ano man matira, kainin ko bukas. Yammers! Kain tayo guys. Ang hirap mag-vlog kasi nakakamay ako, pero kain. Tapos na guys, naubos naming 2. We finished it all, babe. Naubos namin guys. As in, walay. Yan. Yung kimchi meron pa natira. Kailan ba ito may expire, babe? July pa. 23rd. Guys, ngarag mode. Kasi bukas na pala yung binyag. Tapos wala akong susuotin. Hindi ko alam kung ano susuotin ko. Wait guys, pili muna ako ng susuotin ko guys. Kasi yung binyag 10:30. So kailangan maaga. Umalis na kami. Wala na akong time maghanap. Guys, i-ano na namin siya. Ilalagay na namin siya sa bed. Ito yun, oh. Ganyan yung print niya. I think the focus is a bit choppy on my camera because I blow on it.
You blow on it?
I did. Okay.
So which one's which? That's the pillowcases.
Yeah. So this is the fitted sheet. So mas makapal siya, guys. Parang mas ano sa winter ba? Oh, that's nice.
Wait, you don't use that one yet?
What's that?
That's another sheet. So like you can do like a sheet under like
Yeah, I
this and then
understand. Yeah.
that. Yeah, alright?
Why not?
Are you gonna make the bed every day with it? I'm not gonna make the bed every day with it.
Just put it there. I'll
Okay.
take care of it.
Exactly right.
Looks nice. Your chest is hairy.
Now,
I know. Guys, hindi siya fitted. See? Loose. But that's alright. Maganda siya. Makapal. It's warm. Char.
it's good.
Is it good? Babe, I'm filming you. Bukang. Nagmask ako, guys. Yung gamit ko is itong Yet Don't Worry Mask Sheet. Yet, W-E-T. And this is the Heart Beating Mask. Nutrition. Heart Beating Mask Nutrition. Maganda siya. Mas maganda yung texture niya compared sa dun sa mga everyday mask na ginagamit ko. Yung pang, bumbida ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Yung may iba-iba flavor. Aloe, lime, yung mga ganun. Ito, mas siya, mas maganda yung niya. Yung parang papel, yung sheet, mas maganda yung sheet. Anyway, hindi pa ako matutulog kasi maaga pa, pero maaga kami bukas. So, I-ano ko pala guys, itatry ko na linisin tong lens ko. This I got from, nagpunta kami nun ni Dan malapit sa Chinatown, nabili ko to. Lens tissue. So, lilinisin ko yung lens ko guys kasi meron ako nakikitang mga dots. Kaya ako siya blino kanina. Tapos nung nag-blow ako, notice ko na yung focus niya medyo off. Anyway, gagawin ko yan. Pero i-close ko na tong vlog na to guys. Sana successful yung pag-wipe ko ng lens. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Good night.
sorry?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night guys. Bye. Mwah.